Okay, so this is a demo of my final project. So my final project it's like an extension of project 3 of the market analysis. So here I just define are all my functions for doing calculations on the data set. Each of these functions either will just take in a data frame, uh, which is the raw data list of data. Some of them have also the S list, which is a subset of just the names of the sneakers that you want to get the data for. So depending on the kind of analysis you're doing, you can either just do the whole data frame itself, or you can narrow it down to just uh, data pertaining to certain sneakers. So the two main functions I have are these two, the big analysis and regular analysis. So big analysis takes in the whole data frame, and it'll perform the analysis on the whole data set for all the sneakers and get the call all of the helper functions in order to generate the graphs for those. Um, I'll go ahead and save and run. It takes a couple seconds for it to generate the graph because it's going to be generating all of them at once. So this is for all of the sneakers in the dataset, and you see it generates the various graphs with the various from the analysis. And now for the other function, analysis. For this one, I'll just switch over to that. So it's essentially just pretty much the same thing, except it does it for a smaller subset of sneakers for kind of more in-depth analysis. So this will only pertain to whatever I had in my list, which I defined down here. So these are the sneakers that I want to do the analysis for, and they are. So this just shows just different statistics and the data visualized. This for the sneaker size, it didn't work as I intended it because I had trouble kind of like correlating the sneaker size to format the sneaker size because some of these shoes didn't have certain logs for say um, the Nike Air Max 90s didn't have like a shoe size for size 5, while the Air Presto did. Then that caused an issue when I was building the data frame. And for individual plots for the sneaker size, it worked fine. It's just that when I tried to plot them together, they didn't come out the way I wanted it to. And then for the sales over time, it's a general plot for these 5 sneakers in question. It just plotted all of the sales at the different price points across the period of time.